If you're a cat lover, you've probably heard your furry friend sneeze, but should you be worried? Just like us, cats sneeze for all sorts of reasons. It could be dust, mold, or even your favorite perfume. But if those sneezes turn into a sneezing marathon, pay attention. Sometimes it's as simple as a dental issue. Yup, bad teeth can bug their noses. Or it could be an upper respiratory infection, common in shelters and boarding spots. And if it's chronic, it might be something more serious, like feline herpes or calicivirus. Notice a runny nose, lethargy, or loss of appetite. Time to see the vet. Remember, a sneeze now and then is fine, but if it keeps going, don't wait. Your vet can help. For more tips, check out Pawltu.com for all your pet advice needs.